All right, so today I wanted to take you with me on a quick trip to Ikea to see what they have for outdoor furniture. All right, so when you come in, you're going to see all of the sets displayed downstairs on the main floor based on how your Ikea is laid out. But for mine, it's on the main floor, and I love this because you're not buying these pieces as a complete set. You're buying them individually. You can mix and match. You can put them together how you want. So I love that about them, and I think they all are at an affordable price. I love the stain on that chair. Both stains were nice, but I love the more cherryish type stain. Then this set I liked because you can get it with a bench, you can get it with the chairs. Because you're buying the pieces individually, it has the little hole in the middle for the umbrella, which of course is sold separately. But I love how you can put these pieces together to fit your needs and your style. Then we have these pieces. These are going to be great for a smaller space. They have a lot of bistro style tables, which is awesome. You can get the cute little chairs, and it's just enough seating if you have just a few people, a nice small space, and you just want some place to sit down outside, have a little drink, have a snack or something like that. They have a lot of options for that, which I thought was awesome. Then you're going to see chairs because, like I said, you can mix and match these things. This chair, I just loved. I loved the color of it. I loved how big and grand it was. And to me, I think at the price that it was an affordable price. And then, of course, they have so many other little chair options. And just so you know, the cushions, I don't believe, are included with the seating. So you'll buy the cushions separately. And then that way, too, you can pick different colors. You can make it your own. And I love that about the outdoor furniture at Ikea right now. This set was one of my favorite sets. You see the color of the chair. It just contrasts so nice with the color of the table there. And you're going to be able, again, like I feel, to get these pieces for an affordable price. And if you notice with a lot of the displays, they're going to have that Ikea flooring that is so popular that a lot of people have been using for some time for their outdoor spaces. And I love how they display everything so that you can get kind of a feel of how you might want to set it up in your own personal space. This one had the great wall out there so that you can just do so many different things. It just shows you. So if you want to take your decor from just a basic decor outside to, something a little more elaborate. And this table I thought was cute too because it folded down. So you'll be able to save space when you don't need it. Some more great seating and chair options. These, I believe, are going to be for more of a covered space, but they have things for if you don't have a covered space, if you do have a covered space. They just have so many different options. And like I said, you're going to mix and match with the cushions, with the pillows, with the different things. This one I loved because of the shape of it. It just gave you something a little different. And I did also like the stain on it. And just so you know that all of the pieces basically that they have on display here are for sale, from the rugs to, I said, like the flooring, all of these different things, from the cushions, all of these things you'll be able to get at Ikea, the weighted umbrellas, all the stuff at an affordable price. This piece right here I thought was good because it had like that deep type seating. If you notice, it's just, not just something that seems a little bit uncomfortable. It's like something that you can get real cozy with outside, So all of their seating seemed to have that nice depth to it so that you could be comfy, because your outside space should be an extended area of your living space, And And like I said, the flooring is all from Ikea too. So you can build your own outdoor space from top to bottom with items from Ikea, which I think is awesome. And I do believe that a lot of these pieces, you see them, some are like this color, then they have other colors. So the color options are there too. I don't know if pieces come in different colors. I can only see what was out on display. But, you know, they have that same little weaving in different colors, which I thought was awesome. And if you look down, they have the gray flooring here too, which I think might be a different price. I'm not 100% sure, but you can see that the less of it that you use, because they're showing you the whole price for the whole setup, the less of it that you use, you know, the less that you're going to spend. But I think the gray flooring might be priced different. I'm not 100% sure. And they even had screening. So if you are in a space where it's more open to the public, you know, you can get screening. They had some outdoor storage. This what do you call it? It's like a half a shed. I don't know. What do you call it? But that was a huge space to store things for outside. They had so much little bench seats, different things like that. And like I said, to me, all at a good price. But you can look online and see what you might like. But it's great to be able to see the stuff in person so you can get a feel of it. I love this. I love the color of it. I love the wheels on it. I love the cushion that they had paired with it. Just the colors were nice, plain and simple. Something that would go with a lot of places. Loved the planners that they had. The one in the middle, loved the way that one looked. Loved the way the texture looked on the blackish grayish one. So many nice options for planners. So they even had an outdoor grilling area, and the grill, all the stuff was for sale. So I'm assuming even the sink is built in a way where it will stand up outside because they had it displayed as an outdoor set. So I'm assuming all of this will stand up to the weather. Most of the time, though, when you have a space like this, you will have it covered so it won't be beaten up too much by the elements. But I love that they have that. They have things for, beach days, maybe camping. They just had so many options right now, which I thought was totally awesome because I'm just ready for outdoors. And if you live in an area like mine, you know, you don't have that outdoor experience all year round. And then just to end it off, I just wanted to show you the flooring because they have it and they'll come in packs like this. So you'll buy a set and you'll put it together. So you'll buy it based on what you need. This is the dimensions that it comes. And then, like I said, they have the different options. All right, so that was it for Ikea today. Let me know what you thought, and I will see you in the next one.